Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so this is a second video here on the Condor battle belt. This is pretty much it. I think the first video I didn't have the holster attached, and so just to show you guys what's going on here, it's a Condor battle belt. In case you haven't seen the other video, it's a slim battle belt. I've got a Condor pistol belt with the buckle clip here for the front, because I realized I was going to reuse a different belt. Let me see, is it over here? I can show you guys. Yeah, I'll grab it for you in a sec. But this is like a quick grab and go, throw this over, locks in. Now I'm like good to go. Like middle of the night, right? I got a robe on, or I got sweats on, or just boxers or something. I can throw this on and it's going to be good. Okay, and so what I did here is I went with the Serpa. Now this is a Glock 44, okay, obviously it is empty, not loaded, for safety, right? But this paddle version just fit right over the holster here, I mean the belt. And so you know what, I like that, because again, I owned it. I didn't want to spend a lot of money. I already had this holster, right? So I'm looking for ways to use what I got. You know, and so I did buy the slim belt and this inner clipping pistol belt, but that's it. And it was 47 bucks. You know, these I just got this on sale. I think I paid like $23 plus shipping and tax for no, I got free shipping, so it's 23 bucks plus tax for a bunch of these in the Glock size. And the cool thing is this not just fits the Glock 44, but this will fit a Glock 19. It will fit my Glock 27, and it will, but there's some issue with my Gen 5 Glock 23 because, as you know, it's slightly wider. So, but nevertheless, I figured I can go with my Glock 19 MOS. I'm thinking about specialing that out. And the Glock 44, you know, serves the same purpose, the same size there. So I got the holster on the front here, front right side. It's clear on this side. And then on the front left here, I've got 2 magazines. Now these are empty, okay, just for say I'm being safe for YouTube and everything, right? Those are empty, so I got 2 magazines. Ideally I would have a third magazine already in that. California storage laws, even at home, or something else though. Separate story, separate conversation. But so I have a double mag pouch. I've also got this dump pouch. I forgot I had this. You know, again, you should see my other video where I just did a bag dump of all this extra surplus and tactical gear and stuff. And so, you know, I had a dump pouch. And so now I have the belt. I put it on the belt. In the back, I've got the IFAK. Now this one, so I can reach around, clip, pull it off. Right, this is small to the back. I've got the transfer still, the medical IFAK. Actually, I want to keep the other IFAK. I need to go to the tactical store. There's a tactical store in Burbank that sells this stuff. So I want to get this stuff to fill this IFAK. Probably do that tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. But, okay, I got the IFAK in the small of the back, lower back. That's it. And then the pistol. It's very minimal, guys. It's very minimal. And, you know, I like that because it's functional. It's got one purpose. Bump in the night. This big explosion, something's going down. This is like, okay, I can grab this, throw it on, it's good to go. I like this belt because if I also get a plate carrier, you know, it runs unobtrusive. And I know this doesn't have any support for a rifle, but it's not designed for that. It's designed strictly for pistol. It's very minimal. It's very specific to the point, because this, like, things got to be going really bad for me to actually need to go and grab this. But at least I have it and it's ready, and that's what being prepared is all about. And I think I've had a chance to think about it more, and like, you kind of slowly acquire and go through different purchase phases with, you know, with the military surplus or the Condor gear, until you find something that works. So you may have to go down that rabbit hole yourself out there. I can't tell you whether or not, you know. I know I've certainly had my journey with it, but now I'm actually very happy and satisfied with this, and it's much clearer now what I need to be doing, how I need to be prepared, what this is good for, you know. Again, this will I'm gonna have to get a pistol, a lockable storage device that can be easily accessible. I'm thinking of getting a biometric safe for my pistol. Now, obviously, it won't be, probably not that one. Although, the Modern Survivalist did a video today showing how, you know, most calibers, right, on this like years-long study of 1,800 plus incidents or whatever, like the numbers on you know, stopping power and incapacitation, right? The 22 ranks better than the 9mm just on a purely like statistical score. I think it's something like 32% to 24%. Now, what's curious I liked is that the 40 was 1 percentage point above the 9mm, which was 25%. But the SIG 357 was equal to the 357 Magnum. And so I think really, if I'm gonna have something staged and like ready to go, you know, it's gonna be in 357 SIG, and that's why I went ahead and got the 40 caliber pistols, you know, and that's why I recommend that for preppers, because you can buy one firearm and just swap a barrel, and now you can shoot a different caliber with different, you know, capability and stopping power, you know, because it's like truly, if it's really got to be a thing where you've got to grab a gun and like, gosh, I mean, you know, I hope it never comes to that. Again, this is all prepper LARP stuff. Okay, fine, I'm giving in, but I am interested in the medical, because this, of all the things to grab, like this might be the thing that gets used, right? Like, let's say I hear something outside, and okay, if I'm gonna go investigate, well, let's say I come upon an injured person, right? I'm gonna be glad I have this. I think the medical first mentality is a good mentality. I like the idea of also having maybe some kind of ankle med kit. Yeah. So I'm thinking about getting one of those, because I know one of the other channels that I follow, the Dissident, he's offering those on his webpage. So as a way to support, I was thinking about getting that, because I've been thinking about getting an ankle thing. So guys, that's the belt. I want to do another video just to like complete the idea here, complete the picture, because now I have the holster part set up. In the first video I didn't have the holster part figured out, but like I said, this system, right, number one, so I went ahead and ordered a bunch of these, and I ordered a couple of these. These are all for Glock, so I have 2 of these currently for Glock, right? The Serpa CQC with the paddle. I also have the belt things, but I ordered 1 more for the Glock, and then I got 2 more for the M&Ps. So this way, if I choose to go with the M&P40, right, I'm just taking the M&P40 inside of another separate holster just like this, and it'll just go right over the belt. So there's some modularity built in, right? Very easy modularity with this Serpa paddle. It's just the right size. It just turns out to work out really good that way. So I really like that, guys. All right, let me know what you think. Go ahead, comment. Don't forget, we are giving away a Pelican case, so make sure you subscribe if you want to win. Okay, guys, that's been the Condor battle belt with the slim minimalist pistol design. What do you think, huh? All right, see you later.